You don't make no rules. Don't touch me.
Turn around.
Don't touch me, bro.
Turn around.
Don't touch me. Don't touch me. No. Hold on.
On January 8, 2025, officers with the Peoria Police Department responded to a disturbance call in Peoria, Illinois. What began as a routine interaction quickly escalated when a man allegedly became aggressive and allegedly punching a police officer in front of a Kroger store. Here is the police body camera footage.
I was coming to renew my ID. My birthday was on Christmas, right? So I can't do nothing. I got to check. I can't pass because I got to do my what's the name. I came to get my new ID. But I asked for my real ID, right? And she told me that I needed my social security card. I say, ma'am, you got it on file. I don't have my social security card, but I have your social security card with my name, my birth certificate, my address. I'm renewing my address again. And she told me I need my physical, what's his name? So I say, okay, but I came here when I first moved out here to get, it might sound like I'm yelling, but my voice
I get it.
So I told her I came and got an ID, showed her the previous ID I got from this facility, which I would have needed what? My birth certificate and social security card, correct? So that's on file. So I say, I'm already on file, all I want is my real ID.
Yeah.
She said she can't do that. That's not their rules. Now I told her, like, look, I'm kind of, Chevron says that 3-digit what's names can't enforce their own rules on a civilian, bro, and they can't. You know that. You know that. Chevron, you can't, just because you the DMV don't mean that your DMV rules go over legislative rules, bro. So I told her, are you the legislator? If that's the law, I will abide by the law. Oh, that's our rules, and your rules is not the law. I called the police on her ass, and that's what we at right now.
Okay. Do you have like the list of what stuff you can use? Because I know I try to do the same thing here too, where I needed my actual physical social security card because they won't take anything else, even if it's on file. Because they want to verify that it's you and you have control of your social security
card. Okay, but my ID is my ID, right? So when I come up here, my picture on there, right?
Yeah,
so they can't say it's not me if you look at physically in my face, see the same birth certificate, the same name.
But what they do is beyond us too, man.
I get that too, but that's not the law, my man. That's all I'm saying. It's not the law, bro. It's not the law. The only reason I called the law is to enforce the law, because that's not the law. Do I need to? Can you got your phone? Just so it don't think that I'm manipulating. Pull up Chevron versus America, and it's going to tell you.
We're not going to stand here and debate.
All I'm
Once
saying
you leave, you have to go.
That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm paid for my ID. Where's my ID? Okay, y'all have a good day.
You do not want me to go and see if I can get some money back. Sounds good. All right, thank you.
On my soul,
Excuse me? What's that? Did you just threaten me? Did you just threaten me? Did you just threaten me? I suggest you get in that car before I get up to it, or I will send you to jail. You do not tell me that you will beat my ass. You do not tell me that you will beat my ass.
I'm going to tell you don't touch me. I'm going to tell you don't touch me.
I will make the rules here. I suggest you get in the car.
You don't make no rules.
Really?
You don't make no rules.
Turn
don't
around.
Touch me.
Turn around.
Don't touch me, bro.
Turn around.
Don't touch me. Don't
Turn
touch
around.
me. No. Don't touch me. No. Hold on. I don't want no smoke.
Get out of the car.
Get out of the car right now.
Y'all fuck with me.
Get out of the car right now.
Come on. Come on.
Get out of the car right now.
Y'all with me.
Get out of the car right now.
Come on. Come on. Come on. I got it on camera. Yep. Come on.
13, you can reach on that one. Just sitting.
Let's go. Let's go. Y'all some bitches. That's why niggas be y'all, bro. You feel me? I came up here for a pop, and y'all arrested me. Cause you got an ego prop. He got an ego prop. I ain't got nothing on me. Good shit though. Good person. You got you not that much. But you my man. You was respectful though. Hell, not so much. But since I know the call of blue, it is what it is. You feel me? I'll be out. I'll be out. You'll see me again.
Put your money back in your pocket, right?
It's all good, big bro. This nigga a hoe. You a hoe. I wanted to whip your ass. Straight up. Did you say you make the rules? Y'all finna get fired. Y'all finna get fired, my nigga. Especially you, because I trusted you to take him. I trusted you, my nigga. I really trusted you, bro. And I was respectful to you, like it's your partner. You was the one that told me to leave, correct? Your partner was on bullshit. I left. Your partner ran back up on me, my dude. Come on. Come on, man.
Here, we'll have you come get look that back then, okay?
Come on, bro. Come on, bro. Do you see what happened? Am I wrong?
No, I'm still
Okay.
watching it too. Let me see.
I asked you to help me, bro. I asked you to help me, bro. I literally asked you to help me, bro.
Let them take
They're
care of you.
killing us out here. I asked you to help me, bro. I really did, bro. And I came to you as a man. And I walked away because you told me to walk away. And this cracker came and assaulted me and you was with him.
Let them take you to the hospital.
May
Let them get checked out
Allah
of the
bless
hospital,
you and curse you and your children, bro. On my soul. May you be cursed, bro. May you be cursed, bro. I don't want him touching me. Can you take the cuff off of me, sorry? Somebody, I don't even know you. Come on, bro. Don't look off. Don't look me in my eyes as a man, bro. Look me in my eyes as a man, bro. As a man, bro. I got your old tape, and I said I got your old tape, God. I don't. Which one, man? Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but like, I'm very highly disrespected. I'm very highly disappointed in you, folks. Like for real, I didn't do nothing wrong. Tell your officers to take their cuffs off of me, and you seen that I didn't do nothing wrong, Sarge.
Get the bus. Alright, I'm gonna let this game go.
You ain't got no problem at me. Ain't nobody got no problems with, but this pussy, you a bro. And you know what you did. No, I gotta voice my opinion.
I'm not saying you can't voice your
Bro, you bogus. You bogus. You a tyrant. And you a tyrant with him, my nigga. You is. You f***ing the curse of our hood, bro. Cause you know what they do to us. You see they do that shit to your people, my people. And you allow them to do that shit, bro. And you just allowed that man, after you allowed me to walk off, you allowed that man to assault me, bro. It's on camera. Bro, I see y'all recording. I don't give a f*** what happens after this, bro. I will have your job and your job on my dear brother, on everything I love, bro. On everything I love. And if he'll do nothing, I'll have his too. Don't give him that phone, baby. He saw what he had to see.
She already has it.
Babe. Go in there and get the surveillance system from these people so they could see I was sitting down doing nothing. I would never talk to them. Y'all bogus. You bogus.
As the situation came to an end, officers were able to take the suspect into custody without further incident. According to police reports, he now faces charges that include aggravated battery to a police officer, aggravated assault, resisting arrest, and additional outstanding warrants. This footage serves as a reminder of how quickly routine calls can escalate and the risks officers face on duty every day. As always, all individuals are presumed innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.